Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, as promised, I'm going to go through a renovation estimate with you here in Puglia so that you get an idea of what to expect for your money when you come do a renovation. So it's pretty comprehensive and there's a lot of things being done, but I want to go over almost everyone with you. I'm not going to go into like each light fixture and whatnot, but I'm going to go over almost everything with you, go over the cost of these things and show you what can be done. Now, if you want to see a place that's been fully renovated, that started out kind of like this place, take a look. I'm going to put a card up in the corner there so you can go see it and you can see how beautiful it is and what you can actually get. So let's get started. Of course, the renovations will start with this front door here. That will be replaced and the big gate on the outside is going to be taken off. The whole door is going to be a security door with glass. So it's going to be very secure, but also provide a lot of light down here. Now, through this stairwell here, there's another door and that will be the same, only smaller. So that whole thing has to be replaced. Of course, the interior doors will also be replaced. This is plastic. It has to be removed and gotten rid of, and any plaster underneath has to be repaired. Now, this wall here is going to be demolished because if you want to have a vacation rental, the bedroom has to be a certain size, and the space that we have behind this wall is just not big enough to do that. So in order to make it so a vacation rental is possible, we're going to remove this wall here and create a whole studio apartment with a small kitchen, a little living room, and a bed, and it's going to be very, very comfortable. Now through here is the old kitchen, and that's going to go because it takes up space. Also, all this tile is going to be taken off and replaced with plaster, and then the kitchen backsplash. So that's going to be very nice. Also, the floors are going to be replaced. This window up here is going to be swapped out for a nice piece of glass, and this door will be replaced. Now this bathroom has to be completely redone. The tiles are sort of falling apart and you can see that the ceiling is low. There is a false ceiling. We're going to have that taken out. That's going to provide more light from the window coming in through there. And the fixtures and everything will all be new and modern and very comfortable. It's a good sized bathroom. Of course, lighting and electrical outlets will all be installed as well as a thermal towel rack, which actually gives heat in the wintertime. Now we have a cantina. Now, we talked about this pipe. This pipe is a good pipe. We're going to keep it, but we're going to cover it up. And these existing tiles are in really good shape. And we don't want to take them out because moisture is an issue, especially down or below ground level. In order to avoid any problems with that, we're going to keep the tile up because it keeps out the moisture. This is going to be taken out. I think we're taking out that, maybe. Cap it off, perhaps. And of course, the horrible bathroom above issue will be fixed and cosmetically handled and everything else. The whole place just be cleaned up. We're not replacing floors down here because it's storage. Since the stairwells can be very dark, as you can see up above, it's very dark. There is a light here. We're gonna have LED strips along the ceiling there. I was looking at the estimates and LED strips are like 15 euros per square meter. That's pretty good. Okay, once you get to the top of the stairs, we are going to have a bathroom here. Now, the bathroom, you have plenty of space for a bathroom that stops here. And over here, we're going to start the kitchen. Because the plumbing is going to be on this wall here, the kitchen sink is going to be on this wall here. On this wall here, we're going to have shelving. And then the kitchen will extend out from here, which makes a lot more space for the kitchen. Now, you can see that our cute engineer drew a picture on the wall of what it's going to look like. And that's going to save us a ton of space here with the rest of the room. You have room for a dining table right here, and you have room for a nice sofa area over there. And of course, it's very cool and comfortable in here with our new air conditioners. So the renovation has taken into consideration electrical points and installation points for 3 air conditioning heating units. These are Lamborghini. We paid a little more for them because they are really high quality and they should last forever. These balcony doors will be replaced. This railing will be removed and replaced. Now the cost of the railing and the cost of the doors is not included in the estimate that we have. My stairwell toilet is going to go away, and that is profoundly upsetting, except that, look, we have tons of closet space right here. So that's going to be good. This sink will go away as well. And this plastic covering has got to go, and we're going to replace it with plastic. Up here will be the bedroom area. Now, as you can see, coming up from the stairs, it's a little bit tighter here. So the bathroom will have a shower that comes through here and then expands out and creates a total bathroom area, so it'll be really comfy bathroom. And then the shower will extend into this area here. Now, this is currently set up as a kitchen. It will be a bedroom. So we have room for the bed, we have room for a little seating area, and then in this corner, we'll have room for closet space and probably some more closet space over here or an armadio or something like that. Now these canafumaria, these chimneys, they're gonna go too. New balcony doors, new railings, and new interior doors. Okay, this existing security gate is in great shape, so it's going to be transferred from here over to actually in front of the door, which makes a lot more sense. This chimney area is going to be taken out along with the sink and everything else, and a little teeny tiny kitchen for the terrace will be up here, and a predisposition for a washing machine. Now, as you can see, the roof is not in good shape, so that's being replaced. This door will be replaced with a more secure door. This is kind of old school, but I'll tell you, it works great. Okay, and coming out onto the terrace, you can see that this has got some pretty profound lesions in it, and they have to be redone, which we kind of figured. However, since we're redoing that, we're going to put a spiral staircase there and a little postage stamp terrace on top with a railing, because from there you get a really nice sea view. Obviously these walls have to be repaired and whatnot, and we're putting new tile out here and lighting all along the area so that you have a beautiful outdoor space in summer when you want to come out and really enjoy. Now, because of the dog, we are going to have to raise up the railing here, and in fact I believe we're taking out these walls and just putting a long railing that's quite high so that the dog cannot go over it. This of course has to be replaced because it's falling apart and it's snowing inside our staircase. On this wall, that's going to be handled as well, and on the other side, our next door neighbor has a little bit of water intrusion from this wall, which is a shared wall, and they will go ahead and seal up his area too, so it's all done. And of course, there will be new tile up here. Everything will be just gorgeous and perfect, much like the Palazzina Margot that we stayed in that was completely redone. Okay, so that's what this project is, and I'm going to give you a little idea of the cost.